Skybell is a Wi-Fi enabled digital doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to the person at your door no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Looks like a solicitor.
Oh, that's okay. The babysitter will get the call.
When a visitor presses the button, Skybell sends an alert to everyone in your family, and each person can choose to accept or ignore the call. If you answer it, you'll see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi Kate, it's me.
Hi Sarah. So happy you're here. Come on in, I'm in the kitchen.
Skybell is more than just a doorbell with a video camera. It's a smart device with exclusive features that give you even more convenience and control over answering your door. Skybell's motion sensor can detect when someone is in front of the door, even if they don't press the button. A rotatable camera and invisible night vision technology helps you see your visitor at night without them knowing. The on-demand feature lets you open the live video feed at any time and look out your Skybell camera directly from the app.
Oh, hey, I'll be there in just a sec.
Together, these smart features provide you with more convenience, safety, and control over answering your door.
When I'm home alone and the doorbell rings, it can be unsettling and kind of inconvenient. With Skybell, I can see who's on the other side before I even answer the door.
The idea was born from everyday situations. I mean, don't you wish you could know who's at the door before you stop what you're doing to answer it? Want to see who's there when you're not home but the kids are? And what about when it's dark? Well, we're making all that possible, and we're doing it with minimal design and cutting-edge technology. So how does it work? Oh, hold on, someone's at my door. Hey, John.
Hey, Andrew. Want to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm already down here. Why don't you come down to our usual spot?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Installing Skybell is easy. Simply remove your old doorbell and attach the same 2 wires to Skybell. Secure the device to the wall with 4 screws and use the security set screw to secure the device to the mounting plate. Only you can remove the device once it's installed, and your home's doorbell chime will still work. Skybell connects to your home's Wi-Fi, and you receive the feed over Wi-Fi, 3G, and 4G LTE. The front features a button, day and night vision camera, microphone, and advanced motion sensor. The cover is made of hardened plastics that won't rust or interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's rugged and it'll work in harsh conditions. Skybell works internationally with the world's most common power standards, and it's compatible with G, N, and B wireless networks. Skybell is made in the USA, right here in Southern California.
This is the RapidX X5 and X1, 2 high-speed car chargers. The X5 charges up to 5 devices twice as fast as regular chargers. The 2 front ports use something called intelligent recognition to read your devices and charge accordingly, sending out up to 2.4 amps. They power devices almost twice as fast as your average wall charger. With a 5-foot cable, the X5 easily extends to the back seat, providing a steady stream of 2 amps to each of the 3 back ports. That's enough power to charge a phone, tablet, and handheld gaming device all at the same time. With the X5 charger, everyone can claim a port and get a full battery fast. If you're more of a solo driver, RapidX also makes the X1 with a single lightning connector that charges an Apple device at twice the speed. Whether you need to charge a single device or a whole group, RapidX gets the job done fast.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm
Selling magazines?
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. And you can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna, stop break-ins before they happen.